Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, today I am here to share a fashion clothing shopping haul. I went to Ross, Target, and Home Goods. I actually just got one item from Target and one item from Home Goods, so I thought I would just combine it in with my Ross haul. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. Most of the items that I got today were on sale, and they were exercise workout gears. Let's begin. Okay, I will start with the shoes. All the shoes were regular price. So the first item that I got were these ankle boots. Again, you guys know my size is an 11. Real cute. Okay, and this was $19.99. I got this one here. Again, guys, all are in a size 11 because that is my true size. And this one was $24.99. And finally, the last pair. I really like this one because of the color. It's like in this, I guess aqua blue you would call this, okay? And the price on this was $19.99. All right, the next item I got came from Target. I mentioned to you guys that we will be going on vacation and I needed a new swimsuit. So I got this one right here. And this was, I don't know what I did with the price, but I want to say I paid $29.99. And then the other item that I got came from TJ Maxx, and it's just a simple little t-shirt here. It's in a medium. The regular price was $9.99 and I paid $3. Okay. Now everything else is from Ross. I got this all-in-one jumpsuit. I like how it has this, you know, metal in the neck. It has a opening in the back. I got this in a medium. The regular price was $12.99, but I got it on sale for $8.99. Okay, and it's red. It's actually blue with red and white stripes. I like the pockets on the side. I think this is cute. Okay, the next item I got is a dress for church. I can wear it on Wednesday night. It's a size 8. The regular price was $19.99 and I paid $13.99. Okay, and it is like a crocheted dress, white. Not lace, but the ruffles, there you go, the ruffles on the sleeve as well as on the bottom. Okay, again, for me to go to church like on a Wednesday night. Then I got this all-in-one jumpsuit. Again, this is to wear at home. This I actually got in a large. Okay, it's this black and white short set. I like how it's crisscross here in the back. Drawstring, you just have to tie it. The regular price on this was $7.49 and I paid $3.49. Then I got another all-in-one pantsuit. This one also is in a large. The regular price was $9.99 and I paid $6.99. And it is this. It's in this black, white, and gray. I just love the wideness of the pants leg. Something to wear around the house. Okay, like I said, it was regularly $9.99 and I paid $6.99. Trying to get through this so I can stick it in a wash. The regular price was $13.99 and I paid $8.49. And it's this black, white, and gray price. I love how it has the pocket here as well as on the other side. Real cute. Then guys, everything else I'm about to show you guys will be my workout gear. As long as the weather permits, I try to work out. Okay, the first one that I got was this army green. I like how it's, I don't know, I'm just loving the cuff on the bottom. Let me know guys if you like this style. I mean, I'm just loving cuffs on the bottom. And then it has the double stripes here on the side. This is a medium. All of them are in a medium except for one. The price on this was $7.99 and I got it for $5.49. $7.99 and I paid $5.49. Okay, then I got this one. This one too also is a medium. Again with the cuffs on the bottom. The red and white stripes here on the side. I thought this had pockets. It's okay. And the regular price on this, I don't know where the price went. I want to say it was $5.99 or $5.49 is what I paid. Then I got this one, again in a medium. It's white, black and white stripes on the side. It's not cuffed, but that's okay. I'm just going to work out. Guys, let me know in the description box down below, like when you're exercising and you get like a new outfit, it kind of like motivates you to want to exercise more. So I'm super excited to wear these. Hopefully it'll motivate me to exercise more. And the regular price on this was $5.99 and I paid $3.99. Okay, the next one, this one is cuffed on the bottom. As you can see, white stripes on the side. This one has the pockets. I got it in a medium. Regular price was $6.99 and I paid $5.49. Okay, this is the one that I got in a large. Again, it has the cuff on the bottom. No pockets. It has the red and white stripes on the side. I hope I didn't buy two of these. That's exactly what I did. I bought two. Okay, I will be taking this one back. I did buy two, so I'll be taking this one back and exchanging it for something else. This one, the regular price on this one was $5.99 and I paid $4.49. It's weird. Yep, I bought two of the same. Okay. Next item is, oh my goodness, and I bought two of these as well. Okay, one of these will be going back as well. Regular price on this was $5.99 and I paid $3.99. I don't know, I might just keep them. It's not a big deal. Okay, the next item that I got is this one. Also in a medium. This one is cuffed on the bottom. I like the gold zippers. Really, really cute. It has two pockets on each, the pockets on each side. The price for this was $7.99 and I paid $5.49. Okay, then I got this one. It's not cuffed at the bottom. Got it in a medium. Regular price was $7.99 and I paid $5.49. Okay, I got another. Wow, don't tell me I bought this twice. No, it's actually different. Okay, definitely different. Okay, this one again in a medium. The regular price was $7.99 and I paid $5.49. This one has the two pockets. I don't know if I mentioned. It's not cuffed, but I do like it. And the price on this was $7.99 and I paid $5.49. And then the last one is also another army colored workout gear, also in a medium. The price on this, regular price was $4.99, and I paid $3.49. Well guys, that's the end of my video. As always, it gives me much pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.